Hi everyone, welcome back to Food by Harshu. By the tagline, you already know what we are preparing. Yes, we are preparing Kaddu ki sabji. Now, many of us don't like to eat Kaddu, but I insist try this recipe. I am sure you love it. Let's see what are the ingredients. So first we'll roast the peanuts till it's golden brown and grind them and keep it aside. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. We don't need so much oil for that. This is for tadka only. Now add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and add kaddu. Then stir for a while. Add salt, adjust to your taste. It will help it cook fast. 2 to 4 minutes. Let's check if it's soft. If it looks soft, we can add the peanuts right now. Now add peanuts, mix it together and cover it with the lid. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add half teaspoon red chilli powder. You can adjust to your taste. If you want more spicy, you can add more. Now add coriander powder. That is optional. If you don't want to put coriander powder, that's fine. And mix it fine. Now it's ready. Sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander and eat it with rice and chapati. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you will be notified for all the videos.